Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Speak Smart. Today we are going to learn about how to make a long sentence exactly correct in English. For that here I come with the video which helps you to how to make a sentence exactly correct. Here we go. To make a sentence is not a difficult task for anyone who know little bit English also. But to make a long sentence is always a task. I said a difficult task to complete, right? If you are knowing the exact word, if you are knowing the correct, if you are using the correct grammar, even though sometimes your sentence is not up to the marks, somehow it is lag behind in like some ways. So for that this video helps you to make a sentences. Here I will show a pattern which helps you to make a sentence. This is the simple sentence structure, sentence formation, subject, verb and information, right? This format you very well known. So here is one example. I learn English. I is my subject, learn is my verb and English is what? My information. I am adding to my subject and verb, isn't it? Now I just little bit think ki how I can make a correct bigger sentence, but before that you learn how to make a small sentence exactly correct by changing a one part of it. Like I learn English. This is my simple sentence, isn't it? Instead of that, I can change the subject also. She learns English, they learn English, like that. And here I am adding a little information like online and everyday. So little bit information I am always add on to my the sentence to make it more longer, right? For that you use exact phrases, the words which show the exact relationship or which matches the rest part of the sentence. Here is one example I come with. I learn English every day. A little information I am add on to this sentence. Now another is I learn English every day at home. This is another small information I am adding to the sentence by watching videos, right? So it is also the small part of the sentence to improve my speaking skill, isn't it? So here you can see I just add on small information to make a big sentence. I hope you understand. Here simple adding information and you get a bigger sentence. Now another example for you. She works. It is complete sentence, but I want to elaborate it. She works in an office, isn't it? She works in an office during the day. She works in an office during the day to support her family. Small parts I am adding. Some words, some new phrases, which makes my sentence more beautiful, more correct, more longer as well. The train arrived at the station. The train arrived at the station early in the morning. The train arrived at the station early in the morning without any delay. The train arrived at the station early in the morning without any delay because the weather was clear. The train arrived at the station early in the morning without any delay because the weather was clear and the tracks were empty. Isn't it? This is the interesting way to make a long sentence in a very easy way, in a correct way, by adding small words, by adding small phrases. Right? For that, one important rule you should always remain in your mind that phrases usually come after the main sentence, not before it. Right? Subject, verb and information. In information you just add on some small parts to make it more clear, to make it more correct. To practice this you simple follow a simple method. Make small sentence and ask a small question. Why, how, where, like that, which helps us to add on some information in your sentence and to make it more longer and more clear. Okay, I hope you understand this. So here don't confuse with the word because it's a language, right? Every language has a pattern, but once you learn how to make a small things correctly, so automatically you are master in making a long sentence or a thousands of sentence exactly correct. I hope you understand. So you practice. I give you some questions to practice, and you also send me back the sentences what you have tried. So I appreciate you try the sentences. Now here we go. Here are the example sentences. I only change the verbs and I only change the like subject, and you try to elaborate it and to make a big sentences. Okay, here I go with one sentence. Here my verb I changed. I use wants verb. So she wants, here my sentence you can see in a 5 lines I make a sentence. She wants white lilies and coconut coated chocolates from her father as a surprise gift for her 18th birthday, along with lots of blessings and love from her friends and loved ones who make her 18th birthday even more special. So you can see I just make it in a part and just add on some little information about her birthday, why, what, who, like that question and I'm asking, and just simply I make a long sentence in a 5 line. You also try and send me back your answers. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like, please like and subscribe